In this video, I'm going to show you how to flush up these breadboard ends using nothing but homemade dial indicator unit and a scrap of plywood and of course the table saw. Let's begin. I start off by making sure this is trimmed. So I'll set the table saw pin this way here and just barely cut it. Seemed the graves did enough. So now I'll take my dial indicator and I'll run it to the fence. Put it on 0. Seeing it's on 0, move my fence over exactly an 1/8. When a few thousandths over, should be okay. Now we're ready to trim the breadboard ends. And there you are. Very accurate. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and even though I'm not real good with words, I hope my technique was simple and straightforward enough for someone to be able to understand. And another way also would be to take the plywood and run it against the opposite edge, which is actually what I've done with this anyway. This is just more accurate. So, see you next time. Thanks for watching.